Hi guys, catch of the day. It's about 16 inches long and I have to release this back to the river. Look, it's called pike here in Ireland. Maybe in the sea it's barracuda. I think it's the barracuda version of the sea, but this one is fresh water. Okay, thanks for watching and God bless everyone. Happy fishing. Hello guys, look at what I caught. It's about 14 inches pike using this lure. Amazing, isn't it? Mura na siya barracuda diri, no? Sa suba. Hait kay nig mga ipon, no? Look at the teeth. Oh my god, it's huge. Look ayo. Oh my god, thank you for this amazing experience. Now I have to release this fella. It's only for catch and release. Thank you for watching. Hi guys, it's the first time I've caught this species. It's roach here in this canal. I've been trying to catch this for like 4 years from now, 4 or 5 years from now, but they seem so elusive, you know. First time it bit the it's like a centipede soft lure, and yeah, amazing experience. First time in 5 years. I haven't catch this. They won't bite anything, worm or anything, but this time around I'm lucky. Thank you. It's a roach. Hello, fishing time again, and guess what I caught? Yeah, it's called percher. Pinainan ko lang ng worm, no? Amagot. Okay siya. Thank you guys. See you again for another fishing episode. I'll show it to you later on. Baka makahuli ako ng malaking pike. Thank you. And I will release this fish again. You know, liit, may maliliit. So I just have to release this again, okay? And another one, a beautiful perch. Okay, I have to reel this. I have only 2 hands, so I have no assistance. So there it is, nakabuhi siya. And another one, a beautiful perch. Another catch. Now let's go and release this little fish back to the wild. You know, liit, may maliliit. So I just have to release this again, okay? perch using soft bait. They are so aggressive species. Oh, fun fishing. Beautiful color. Now we need to release this. That's how plenty they are in this canal. The elusive pike catch of the day. Another pike. Ooh. The very elusive pike. I caught one again.